Today, we will use the RR3 with the Alpha MK2 for engraving. First, install the stand on the Alpha MK2. Then connect the RR3 to the Y-axis of the machine with a cable. Set the working mode to RR roller mode in the AlgoOS system. Select the image to be engraved. Configure the parameters and start engraving. Install the side bracket supplied with the RR3 at the bottom. Place the wine glass into the engraving area and adjust the height of the bracket. Open LightBurn, click Trace Image, and convert the image to a fill layer. Click Rotary Setup, set per rotation to 39.82 mm, and set roller diameter to 16.8 mm. Click Start. After connecting the machine in LaserGRBL, click GRBL configuration in the top left corner. Set $101 to 67. Click OK after modifying the value, and start engraving.